Oh, and welcome back. Hello. Where am I? Where am I? Oh, why am I not? Okay. Oh, I was in the island. Oh, that's how we're doing it now. Okay, okay.
My game just froze. Okay,
Game
we're
froze?
good.
Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Okay, we got melons. I forgot. We got food going. Welcome back, everybody. I'm here with Plasmatic again. Hello, welcome.
Hey, it's me, it's Plaz. We're stuck on an island.
I don't think we're stuck. I think. Oh wait. Oh wait. Yeah, I want to get the mangoes. The mangoes. Where is Shirley? Have we seen Shirley around?
I have not seen her for a few minutes.
All right. Oh, did I just accidentally? Oh, see, I accidentally ate the raw fish. That was not good for my self-esteem.
I have found Charlie.
Good? You good, man?
Yep.
Oh yeah, Shirley was charging at you, man. Shirley was straight charging. Wanted the booty. Oh, oh, hey,
I
feisty.
mean, I don't blame her.
Feisty. I see
I'm
rocks.
gorgeous.
I see. the, the bird turned into a football. Phenomenal. I love it. I want Shirley to attack, so that way I can kill Shirley. Kill him. Kill him dead.
Isn't that the dream?
Look. Huh. Haha.
Look at what?
Look up. Over here.
Oh, he's sweet.
You can jump over to that. That is so against physics. How dare you try to get away, Plank? Oh, I can make a spear. Okay, cool. Shirley's done for. Yes.
I
I've
like
also,
that you're so sure you can kill Shirley.
honestly, when I kill Shirley, it's gonna feel real bad. We need to come up to an island so I can get trees. Wait, what is... What is this? What? What? Whoa! Whoa! Holy, that was free. That scared the fuck out of me. What was that? The bird! Oh, there's an island over here. Cool. You'll have to watch my point of view. Jesus Christ, that was terrifying.
Clearly.
Holy shit. Shirley. Oh! Turn around! Turn the boat around! I killed Shirley.
How do you want me to turn the boat around? Also, she's dead, so we can just get her.
Yeah, but it's floating away.
I got her.
You got... Yeah, we got Shirley.
I got big shrimpies.
I am dying right now of thirst. Alright, well. Imagine just being on the brink of death constantly.
Hey, Steve.
Oh my god, that's terrifying. Where? It's Shirley. Hello,
Shirley.
hello, Shirley. Where are you at?
Oh god, I don't see the boat anymore.
Oh, I see you.
Jeez.
I see you. Oh my god, why did you? Why?
Okay, I see the boat now. Oh no! New
What?
shark's back.
Shirley's back. Oh my god.
Jeez, I have so much stuff on me.
I have pushed. I have pointed the boat at you. Okay.
Success!
That was terrible. Don't ever do that again.
Do you want 14 planks? Because I got 14 planks for you.
I would love 14 planks. Give it to me. Oh, baby. Oh,
Alright.
baby.
I need island time for a second. I'll be right back.
me back on island time. I love that song. I'm gonna eat this mango. Hey,
Yeah, I
the
know.
boat's kind of far away, and I would hate for me to accidentally rotate it. It's okay. This island looks big. Hey,
Ooh, that does look like a big island.
where you at?
I'm up top. Ow. Ah! I was gonna goofingly jump in the water. I don't know why
Goofing.
that's a smart idea.
Oh, oh, oh. It's okay. I got plastic for it, and I'm proud of myself. And there's wood. I got one stand. Shirley? I need 2
It's
sand.
not Shirley.
Oh yeah, we killed Shirley. Who's this one then? Truly. We got Shirley and Truly. How about that?
Sure, that works.
This one's name is Truly. I try real hard to make you happy, man. I really do. You want to see something cool? I think I can.
It will in just a second.
Hey.
Hmm.
Look at me. I'm wearing
Shirley's
Shirley.
back. Shirley's back.
No.
Shirley. Steez, you have to come help me. Shirley's up on the boat.
I drowned. Here, take it out. I want to see what it looks like on you. You have to put it in the little shirt thing below your inventory. Oh, it's so dumb. So dumb looking. I don't think that's what the sounds of sharks make.
Rah rah, I'm Shirley. I'm gonna eat you up. I'm just gonna swallow you whole.
What do you
Actually, this is giving me flashbacks. I don't like this.
The one time Shirley swallowed you whole?
She's gobbled me up, dude. I'll never forget that horrifying day.
I'll never forget the horrifying incident of the bird flying at me, pecking while standing up. It was really weird. These burns are terrifying.
I agree.
Watch. You're gonna see what I was talking about, and you're gonna freak out. It was literally like the poltergeist or like a haunting in Connecticut, but with seagulls.
Interesting movie. There.
It's the haunting on the Raft.
I mean, there's no proof that we're not in Connecticut.
This is a big lake in Connecticut, then. Like, this is an enormous lake.
Exactly.
Imagine, plot twist, you're actually in a lake in Connecticut. You've been going in circles for years. Imagine that.
It's a Truman Show situation where everyone is in on it.
Oh my god.
That's why there's all this, like, plastic and wood and stuff.
There's just a guy dumping plastic and wood into water.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why every time you kill a shark, they go and catch a live one and then send it back out. Oh my god, these birds. Aha, he's a football.
Make sure you hold each.
I can't. Oh, Shirley or Truly. Ah. No, 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 why? The boat's going too fast. Yes.
Oh! Okay, I thought he was just pointing, but look.
Oh, that's the moon. I was like, what? What?
Look.
Oh, bird. It turned into a football. Look at how weird this looks. Looks like its eyes are drawn on. You want this? Do you want this bird? I don't have enough space.
Sure. Just put him in the... I'll pick him up.
I'll have to eat pineapples.
But look, Watch. Come here.
Yes.
Do you see me pointing?
Yes.
Okay, watch my hand.
Oh, what?
Did you see my little thumbs up that it gives?
No, I didn't see that. Do that again. There's more recipes in one of these.
Here, either pull out a recipe or just pull this down and
Hold on.
pull
I've got.
put it up.
Oh wait. Oh, can I put it? Vegetables. Okay, ready? It's a little pointing. Oh my god, truly. Oh, he's getting the net! Truly! Oh my god, I jumped into the... that was creepy. I saw the inside of the shark's mouth. Alright, I'm ready to go. Wait. Yeah, I'm ready to go. You ready to wrap this one up, though? We'll just come back on this.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Alright, cool, cool. See you next time, everybody. What it... Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay.